This monstrous super typhoon Goni, known as Rolly in the Philippines, has now made landfall here in southeastern Luzon with winds estimated to be gusting at 379 kilometers per hour in that center of circulation. That is the strongest landfalling typhoon since Typhoon Haiyan, and actually matches Typhoon Haiyan as far as wind speeds are concerned. And we'll see what the estimations are after the storm, but really, you think of most storms, this is stronger than that storm you're thinking of outside of a few exceptions. And it's catastrophic damage we're going to be seeing ahead of this. 379 kilometers per hour. Think of a bullet train. This is moving, the winds inside of this are moving faster than that. You could be seeing surge 6 to 10 meters high, especially in that right front quadrant here, and even further towards the west as this starts to come on shore on the main island of Luzon as well. So strongest storm since Typhoon Haiyan, guys. The max of the T scale, we had a T.8, 8.0 reading here. Simply put, that's what we use to estimate storms in their intensities, since we don't have the luxury of hurricane hunters in the Western Pacific. This maxed out the scale. Once you get higher than that, it's just hard to figure out how strong these storms are. They're just so powerful. The engine here is just so strong. This is going to continue to move inland. Naga, very large population, or almost 200,000 people. This is going to move right over that. Damaging winds, but also heavy rainfall thanks to the mountains here, which is going to squeeze out some of that moisture. Thankfully, that will weaken the storm as it heads towards Manila, but Manila is still going to see typhoon strength winds. Can't stress that enough. Even though it's weaker there, it's a much larger population, it's a much more vulnerable population. And anybody that knows Manila knows exactly what I'm talking about here with those coastal communities. Once this moves over, it's going to put a lot of people at risk. Thankfully, it will be weakening, but by no means would you call this a weak storm. So, like I said, direct hit right now, right over that island. Damaging winds and rainfall are going to hit Manila. It's still a super typhoon, guys. Microwave imagery. Let's take a look at that landfall right here. This is absolutely just impressive and catastrophic. There's the adjectives you can use to describe it, but that inner core, that inner eye wall, right there. You look at that. That's basically a 100-mile wide tornado coming onshore right now. That's the damage coming out of this. EF4 type stuff. It's just de-leafing all the trees, knocked down. You got the storm surge on top of that. Which one is stronger? People have been asking. I've been showing this, and I've been saying Haiyan is stronger, but right now, if you compare Yolanda with Rolly, they're about the same, unfortunately. Anyways, I'm meteorologist Robert Scott. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe. I'm trying my best to update you guys. I've been up for almost 24 hours now, tracking this storm, doing my other job as well. Definitely going to take a bit of a break.